talk to each other?
Well, they can't see you in the video.
Oh, so I'm gonna just be talking to you.
No, I was just saying, say hi. Come say hi.
It's on right now?
It is
like,
recording. It's recording.
Gang.
We see your hands, not your face. Okay, you know what? Bye, girl.
But also the jail braids. It look like Cleo right now. Like, y'all can't have me. If you can't have me at my twist down, you can't have me at my twist down. So.
Anyway, what is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're not already subscribed, subscribe! As you can see, I started Locs.
And she did not last long.
Like 2 weeks ago. But I decided that, you know what, I don't really care about the I told you so's. I do love them. However, I miss my curls and I miss the versatility of my free natural hair. So I am going to comb these bad boys out. And yeah, that's just what it is. So I'm going to comb it out. A lot of people going to be talking shit to me, telling me they told me so. Because, you know, my hair ain't never the same, but it's all good. I took out one already. I can't really see it, but I took out one. Back here, so I'm going to comb a few more of these out. I'm going to condition, wash my hair, decondition, all that good stuff. I was going to do a rice water treatment, actually, but I'm not going to do it because I didn't set no rice to the side. So we're just going to keep going. But since this one right here is already out and dry, let me go ahead and moisturize this bad boy a little bit. And since it's only been 2 weeks, I ain't got no shedding. So, yeah, it's good, first of all. I'm trying this new product, too. I'll zoom into y'all later because right now my camera's not autofocus, but it's Suave Professionals with natural shea butter and pure coconut oil. I'm cheap. It was $6, so bam, there you go. I think it was still some rice water in this, come on. There you go. I think it was still some rice water in here. I can still smell it.
What's rice water?
But, rice water is, why are you whispering?
Oh,
you don't want them to hear you?
No, I don't want them to know. I don't know.
It's basically like literal rice. You soak it in, like you clean it and then you leave it sit in your water like overnight or for a couple of hours.
Mm-hmm.
And then you, like you just you drain the rice out of the water and you take the water. It's supposed to be good for your hair. Like prevents helps with hair growth and
it works. Have you seen results?
I've used it. Like I feel like I used it once or twice so far, and I feel like after that, like my hair has definitely gotten very shiny, and I feel like it got stronger. And it's supposed to help stop shedding and stuff like that. So
I'll try to do that. I think.
Yeah, like my hair's not locked really at all. Like there's a few pieces in here that feel a little locked, but it's really not. So you can see how easy this comes out. Plus, like the whole like root of my hair is just freaking. It's just not where it's supposed to be. So.
Curls popping.
Hey, you see them things? I missed y'all. Welcome back. Oh.
I'm about to take a picture and send it to Roger. Like, look what?
I told her earlier that I was taking it out.
And what she said?
She didn't even respond to me because she commented on my scale thing, talking about you supposed to take out or she said something about you supposed to damn, I can't even talk. She said that you're supposed to weigh yourself basically naked and not with all the stuff that I had on or whatever. And I was
That's true.
I was like, I'm gonna do it in the morning. Like you're supposed to do it first thing in the morning anyway. So like that's your true weight when you first wake up. So I was like, that's cool. I'll do it again in the morning. I'm gonna get cussed out by everybody. My friend's mama, Colleen's mom, I texted her already because she has Locs and she was so happy when I decided to do it. So I told her, I was like, Miss Charlene, don't be mad at me, but I'm taking this up.
What did she say?
And she was just like, I tried. Like basically, I tried to get you to keep it. And I was like, I'm gonna do it again, but I feel like I'm gonna wait until I'm like, yeah, maybe when I'm like 40, 45 and I have like my first or second kid and I'm ready to just like leave my hair alone. But I feel like I just got used to, yes, curls. I just got used to the idea of being natural and like finally finding styles and things like that I actually like. So yeah, it is what it is.
Hold on.
It is what it is.
We trying to find this thing of you, but when you said it, I think you put it on Facebook, right?
What, when I said I'm keeping it? What?
Cause it's funny. It'd just be you were all like, oh.
No, but I said I was gonna give myself a year. But then, like I said and thought about it, I'm like, you know what? What? Like, it was more so me trying to prove to everybody else that I can do it. And I'm like, fuck all that. I don't got to prove shit to nobody. So, it is what it is. Actually, like last week, honestly, I had wrote into this, I'm in this Facebook group, like this women's empowerment group on Facebook. Yeah. My cousin started. So I wrote in there and I was asking everybody, like, hey, you know, like, advice. I was like, yeah, I really like my hair. I think it looks good. I was like, but I kind of miss my curls. Like, what should I do? So for the most part, it was all like, oh, it's beautiful. Leave it, leave it, leave it, leave it. And there's one lady that was like, girl, take that shit out. You don't want it, you don't need it. And I'm like, just.
That's all I needed to hear.
That's all I needed to hear.
You just needed to hear from one person, and that was it. Yeah. It was a wrap.
But you know, I think the funny thing is, most people are probably not even going to be surprised. They're going to be like, girl, we knew.
Oh, shocker type shit.
I feel like I grew some inches, though. Like at least 2. Or 1, I don't know. It's only been 2 weeks, so it probably ain't really grown over. I probably just think that because I'm taking my hair out. I literally hate doing my hair on camera, so I'm going to go ahead and turn this shit off, and I'm going to come back when I'm halfway done. Be back, guys! Alright, y'all, so let's get back to it. I went ahead and posted a picture to my Instagram because I'm having a lot of folks in my comments talking about, I told you so. My friends and family, they know me very well. I'm not really good when it comes to keeping one hairstyle for too long. That's why I'm not really a fan of weave and braids and all that stuff. And that's exactly why I learned how to do my own hair at a young age, because a chick ain't trying to be wasting money on buying or paying for different hairstyles that she ain't gonna keep. But just look at this. This is like a mess. I can't. I do love the hair. I do love locks, and I will get them again. Just no time soon. I'll try them again after I have kids, or you know, when I'm older and I'm done like playing in my hair and trying out new things. I feel like that's a style that when I start it, I don't ever want to change it. So until then, let's go ahead and rock out. Most of it I was taking out with like just my hands. I wasn't even using a comb. But these ones are kind of thin, so I had to get to the bottom piece out first. You see that? Yeah. My cousins are all texting me. They're like, I knew it was only going to last 2 weeks. It literally has been a little bit over 2 weeks. They hate on me. It's okay. I feel like I'd rather take it out now than later. Like, why wait, you know, a year or 2 years and then comb it out? Like, it's like, no. When I do it, I want to do it and keep it pretty much forever. Like, I want to start it. I think once I like 40, 45, I think I'll be finally at the stage where I'm done trying to try out new styles and stuff in my head. So then I'll, you know, I'll leave it then. But for now, that was a knot. Oops. But for now, I'm just like, I'm good off of it. I love it still. There's so many people in my life that have locks and they're beautiful and I love them. I feel like since I didn't start when I was younger, like I wanted to, and now I finally got to the point where I embrace my natural hair fully and I really like love it and trying new things, it just was not the right time to do it. Now I see what I would look like with it, because that was always the thing too. I always wondered like, well, what would I look like? Like, how would this look and stuff? I see it now. I know that I will like it. So now the next time I do it, you know, it is what it is. And like, there's no religious reason for me. There's no spiritual or deep connection I have with my hair. It's like, for me, hair is hair. It's meant for me to change it and do everything I want to do with it. So I'm taking it out. I'm taking it out now to, you know, get my curls back because I missed them or whatever the case may be. And yes, you can curl locks. I already know this. I've heard it a million times, but it's not what I wanted. So therefore, that's not what I had. I have no clue what grade of hair I have. 4A, 4B, 4C, 3A, 3B. I don't know. I don't care. It's just hair is hair. That's just what it is. So we're going to just keep working, keep growing, and you know, we're going to go from there. Alright guys, so there you have it. I took all of my locks out. I'm about to go wash, deep condition my hair, and that's it. I'll make another video maybe tomorrow just explaining why I did it, or maybe I'll come back later and just add some more to this one after I finish washing my hair. I'll talk to you guys about that and just explain a little bit why I took my locks out. Actually, there's really no reason for me to make a whole video about explaining why I took my locks out. I took them out because I felt like it. It's literally been 2 weeks. It wasn't even fully locked yet. As you've seen when I was taking it out, a few of them was just sliding right on out. I just realized I like the versatility of my loose natural hair, and I wanted to just get back to that. Like, I know I like the locks. I think they looked great. They didn't really bother me. I wasn't ready. And I feel like if I'm not ready, I'm not going to force myself to stay ready. Even though I said I was going to give myself a year, I knew I wasn't there yet. So why wait a year just to comb them out when I knew I wasn't ready to keep them in anyway? So I think after I have kids, maybe after I pass 40 and I'm just older and I want my hair to just like be left alone, maybe I'll do it again at that point in time. I know plenty of women who've waited until they were 40, 50 years old to start their locks, and they're long, beautiful, flourishing. And I think maybe when I'm older, I'll be more ready for it. I definitely probably will miss them after like a week or so, but I don't regret taking them out. I don't regret getting them because now I know, you know, what it felt like to at least, you know, start it and see how I felt. So a lot of I told you so's and messages coming through to my phone, but you know what? I don't care. It's my decision, my hair, and yeah. So I'm going to go ahead and wash it, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Later.